Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Chill Boys, Chill Girl. So now we are going to Laknavaram and you can see back it's Kakatiya University. Now we are on the way for Laknavaram. So that is a place where we can connect to the nature. Please see the full walk for connect to the nature. We are on to the way of Laknavaram in Katakshapur, and here a river overflowed onto the road and we should cross this to reach Laknavaram. So guys, here you can see how many ducks are in the pond. They are in river only, but now the water overflows, so they came to the edge of the road. So guys, here we have a hill and down we have some farms, and after the farms we have like big forest, after that hills. So guys, we came into the farms to click some photos, and here you can see one hill is there, and beside that one more hill is there, and this side also many hills are there. So this is the farm. Forest, and we should travel in the forest almost for 18 kilometers. Here they are doing step farming. We are very close to Laknavaram now. So guys, here we can see a amusement park which is still in construction. I think so after some months or days it will open. It can also be a nice spot to stay here. So guys, now we started in off-road, means here there will not be a road, but it's like a road but not like concrete. We are on the hill which we saw when we are coming here. I kept almost reached that hill only. So guys, now we have to walk till the lake. We are walking. In middle we are getting boards what to do. We are following that. So guys, now we are entering into the bridge. I will show you. So first we should get down from the stairs. And here you can see this is the hanging bridge. It's very So guys, here you can see small ropes are there, and they are connected to one big rope and connected to that blue one like a big pillar. So guys, this is the main rope which connects to small ropes. It's come up and down, so it can connect all. And so I told the main pillar, this is the main pillar which is goes underwater. So guys, now we are taking a photo which they will give the print. So guys, this is the full bridge. You can see that corner. We came from there and we came all through here, and also we have bridge that side. We'll go. Just now we played archery and came here for a view. Guys, here you can see I'm standing on this, and from here we can see the full view of lake. Here you can see some boats are there, and that is one more boat which went there. You can see the white like buildings. That is the station where if any fuel problem offers, boat will go there. We will also go in that boat. We'll show you. Now let's go to boating. So beside us we have many islands, and we are also on one. Here you can see that is the hill. Guys, now we are going to the boat, speed boat.
So guys, this is the old bridge, but the one now we are is the new one.
So guys, now we are going to speed boat. I will also show you how we are going. We are in speed boat. Now we are almost to complete our ride on the speed boat. This is the last circle.
Guys, we also want to